How to write a perfect English essay, step-by-step guide. Writing an essay in English can be challenging, but with a structured approach, it becomes manageable. Start by choosing a clear topic. The more focused your topic, the easier it will be to write about. Once you have your topic, research and gather relevant information. Make notes on key points, ideas, and examples that support your argument. Next, create an outline. An outline helps organize your thoughts and ensures your essay has a logical flow. Start with an introduction, followed by body paragraphs, and end with a conclusion. Each paragraph should have one main idea and supporting details. Be sure to use clear and simple language to communicate your ideas effectively. After writing the first draft, take time to review and revise. Check for grammar, punctuation, and spelling mistakes. Lastly, ask someone else to read your essay and provide feedback. With practice, writing a perfect essay will become easier and faster.